Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for April 4th of 2025 is titled Hickson 44 in Leo. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a compact group of galaxies known as Hickson compact groups after one of the astronomers who studied and looked for groups of galaxies very close together in the sky. So we can see a number of galaxies here as well as a bunch of stars in our own galaxy. Now the stars are identified by the diffraction pattern, that cross pattern going through them. So those are stars within our own galaxy that just happen to be located in the same general direction in the sky as the galaxies themselves. Now the galaxies, we can see a couple different types of galaxies within this image. And we can see toward the left, we see an elliptical galaxy. And we can also see three spiral galaxies, two very close to the elliptical galaxy. And we can also see how they seem to be slightly distorted, their spiral arms being distorted and their regions around them not quite as nice and smooth as you might typically expect. The other spiral galaxy down toward the lower right looks a little bit more normal. So some of these are because the galaxies are relatively close together in space. And that means that they are tugging on each other gravitationally. They may pass close to one another, and that will distort them. Now galaxy collisions do occur, and galaxies will eventually collide and coalesce into larger galaxies. But in the meantime, we see some of these distortions as they pass relatively close to one another. And that's really what's happening here. As the galaxies interact, their gravitational fields will interact and tug at the material. The stars themselves in the galaxies will not collide. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so they can essentially pass right through one another. But even as they do that, their gravitational fields will interact and will distort material and will enhance star formation so that these galaxies will look a little bluer. Especially those spiral galaxies will look bluer than you might normally expect them to be. And that's because as the gravitational fields interact, the star clouds and dust clouds will get pushed closer together and will cause stars to form at a greater rate than if a galaxy were just sitting out all by itself. So a galaxy sitting alone will go through star formation, especially a spiral galaxy will form stars. But when you put it close to other galaxies, you can compress those clouds at a much greater rate and then increase the star formation, making far more blue stars visible in the galaxies. And that's what we can see, especially the galaxy to the right near the elliptical. That's farthest to the right looks very, very blue because of enhanced star formation, because of interactions with other galaxies. So that was our picture of the day for April 4th of 2025. It was titled Hickson 44 in Leo. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.